I sent Vicky some material, and look at these pretty blocks that she made. I think she did a beautiful job, and I really do like the way that she did the felt. It looks really, really pretty.
God sent his son. They called him Jesus. He came to love, heal and forgive. He lived and died to buy my pardon and empty.
Alrighty, I'm excited to get started on that pincushion. I went hunting. Now these are the kind that I use, and you got a curve right here, so I don't think they're going to go too good with the with it. I did, however, find one of these, and I found a package of these. So these are bigger than what they wanted, but I'm like, okay, I can cut these down to the size that I need when I get to that big old problem. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to draw out our pattern, and so that we will, oh come on now, don't do me this way. We want to get rid of you. We don't want you no more. So, I'm going to take one of these, if I can get split up, and I'm going to draw it out on this board so that we will have a pattern, and we can keep all this right here together, and I can keep these with this, and that way I will always have them. Pin. Alright, let's get to doing it.
If I surveyed all the good things come to me from above, if I would count all the blessings from the storehouse above, I simply ask for the favor of Him beyond mortal king, and I'm sure He grants again and again. I want.
Alrighty, let's go watch the video and see what else that I need. I think I have everything, but I know I'm missing something. I think it's going to be the little thing that goes down here is what I think I'm going to be missing. But we're going to go and we're going to watch the video now. I thought I had everything, but no, I did not. I had a whole lot more that, I thought I had some flowers in here, but I don't. But I got some of these. I don't know if I can put these on it or not. I think I'll try to put one on it, if it will fit. Let's see what I did with my pattern. Oh my gosh, I lost my pattern. Here it is. No, it's not. It's too big. Too big to go on it. So we're not going to be able to put that on there. But then we have... Ooh, no, can't put that on there either.
Don't worry about it.
No. Alright. I'm done with that box. I thought I had everything. But apparently, I didn't even have even the start of it. Alright, now it says that we need something firm underneath here. Which this right here would be what we need, firm cardboard. So I'm going to draw another one of these so that we will have some firm plastic underneath it. Now I'm going to do this a little bit at a time so that I can keep up with it better. But I want one of these. It's beautiful. I'll try to keep all my big pieces that I can so that I can have them. Alright, we're going to throw this away. Now I'm going to put this one in the thing here because I think I'm done with it. Now I got all these. Okay. Now it says that I need to sew this down to it. So let's see, my glue. I got glue right here. And we're gonna glue it down. I think it's this side. Oh my God! I better go check and make sure I'm doing it right. I better look. It dawned on me to get my phone and use my phone. So what I'm going to do is use my phone. We want to put it on this side, and we're going to glue it down really good. Alright, I think I'm done with my glue. But if I have to get it, I can get it back. Alright, now we're going to put this down here. And we are going to take it and we're going to find somewhere. Oh, I wonder if that'll work. And put it. Nope, it will fall. I don't want to do that. Find something to put this right here so that it will dry while we work on the rest of it, and hopefully it will. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut out everything so that way I will have it cut out, and I'm using chalk on my felt, and I'm hoping that I could see it. You can't see it with anything else. So, I'm hoping you can see it with this. Man, I think it's really pretty. I can't wait to get started on it. I think I'm going to put this one in my bedroom and put my pins in it. Then that way, okay, I'm done with this. Let's put it up. Now, I've already done started cutting them out. I got these two little pieces cut out. So now we only got this and this piece here. And this other little piece right here. So if I get them cut out, I think that would make it go a whole lot faster and better. Okay, cut that down a little bit. And my garbage is getting full over here. And it looks like she sewed everything by hand. So that's what I'm going to do. Sew everything by hand. Alright, now we got that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut these pieces out and see what happens from there. If I can step over a little, man. Alright, y'all going to have to ignore the noise in there. They're playing. So I went and I put me a little S on here. Now I take my iron and get rid of this because I used my little pencil. So now I'm going to sew this down. I'm going to go ahead and put my button on. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sew this right here down here. And this right here will go to the side, but we're not ready for that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this part done. And then after I get all this right here done, then we'll be back. And I got me some black, real thick thread, and that's what we should use, is a real thick thread. All right, here we go with going and doing that. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I have to put this right here, interfacing, I think is what it's called, on it. So we need to do that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I got my ironing, and it is getting hot over here. So I'm going to have to do this very, very, very carefully. Alright, let's see what we can do. I'm going to put
I'm still having that much fun
on all of it. And I want to make sure that I put one there, one there. And when I put it in, it will go. Alright, then I have this and this. Throw my button away.
Hell yeah.
Get this out. Like that. Alright, now, I have, where is that paper? Here it is. This right here that I got from the, putting the, things on. And
okay,
I think I'm going to try to put that down here.
So if
that's correct, that way.
I don't know if you want to do that.
Put that one on.
Right about where it's at now.
You have it.
So that way,
There.
because I forgot. I'm excited about it, I guess. I don't know. But I'm crazy. Alright.
No,
I want to put the
I'll take that.
That's good.
soft side on this side. Hoping that it'll work.
Man,
But yeah, we need to do this.
you read that pretty close. A little bit harder.
I have forgotten. I mean, I don't know. My mind's not going good. Alright, let's see how well we done it. And if we need to do any more. No, it's not hitting it. Dadgummit. Okay, let's turn the water off. Let's turn the water off. Give it time.
Water.
No, it isn't.
No.
That's not a bad hit. You got it pretty close to about as far as you can get it without hurting yourself. That was pretty.
Alright, I'm going to let that cool down. Oh, wow. I don't know if you could, yeah, you could tell it. Where I had ironed it.
So I'm learning something about this.
That's cool. Alright, so I'm going to let this cool down a little bit before we go on. And then I'm going to cut it down. And I wish I wouldn't have grabbed these scissors. And then I'm going to cut it down. And I'm going to finish what I was doing. Because we have to have, that did not even take.
It's not right there.
Right there. That one didn't take. That one took. Alright, so we need to do this a little bit longer. Alrighty, I'm going to get this done and I'm going to make sure it sticks to it. And so I can use it.
Well, what, don't forget, like,
I got everything sewed on but the button. And I figured I'd probably ought to do it last.
Excuse me.
Alright. So what we're going to do, we're going to lay this down here. Now it says we got some
Roll that shit.
marks on it. And she said they're very important. The marks. Let's just get one of them. We're going to lay it down here.
I was close.
And we're going to mark it right here. And right here, this is where she said we need to mark it at. She said it's very important that we put the marks on there. Now, what she said is you sew it from here all the way around back to here. Was that curved? Did I miss? No, it's straight. So we're going to sew all the way around, and I'm going to use the sewing machine. So I can go ahead and get this right here done.
That was a good hit. But it was a good hit.
Alright, now we need to take and we need to turn this around. And I'm going to cut some of this off. And I think we can handle it. Alright. So, she used these. And hopefully I can use these tools. Let me get that corner. And hopefully I can use these too. But we're going to try to. And I did not forget the back stitch.
That was a good run.
So we're going to turn this around and then we'll be back.
Now
Now this is going to be a little bit hard to do.
That shit's been precise.
You know, it really ain't that bad to do that. The only thing I'm having trouble with is this right here little bitty tiny thing. That's what I'm having trouble with. But really, other than that, it wasn't that bad. I don't know if I can get it in there. Maybe I'll use a stick.
I wasn't going to spill your beer.
Maybe. Yes, there it is. I've got it. Now, she said you're going to want this right here to go on there. So, I think we're doing pretty good right now. Alright, now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to sew it down. And you have to stuff this.
Hell yeah. Oh!
With some stuffing. Oh my God. Look at that. Yes. Yes. That looks really good. Alright. I want to stuff it. Where's my stuffing? Oh my gosh. I have lost my stuffing.
I just don't think they...
Here we go. Here we go. Alright. See what we can do about stuffing it and seeing how pretty it looks. Alrighty, here we go. We got it. Alright, I'm going to go sew this down to this. And then we'll be back. I don't need it.
Nobody does nothing to make her mad.
Just us knowing Noah makes her mad. She said to make sure that this is nice and firm. Alright, then she said that this right here, I can make it more firmer, put some more fiber filled in here. And I think what I'm going to have to do is do it. Because it has to be good and firm, she said. Up to where the you drawed your lines. Like that. So we can put a little bit more in there. I think it's turning out pretty, miss. Okay. I'm still stuffing it in there. didn't think I could put any more.
What's up with man?
But I can.
Oh, she must have run out of gas.
Oh.
Or string or something.
Yeah, she got mad. And,
Oh, she's still mad.
Stupid.
I don't even know what she's trying
They
to do.
moved a trailer over there, camper. And he was having trouble getting the trailer out. And I went out there and told him, hey, I'll move my car and let you get it out. I bet you that right there really made him mad. Alright, now she said that we need to open this up. I think that'll work.
Oh man, your foot's swollen bad.
Okay, now, she said that we need to put glue right in here and let it dry. If I know that. There we go. Glue it all down. Don't want it to go running off on me. This is the way I'm going to do it. Alright. Now, she said to let it dry. So I'm going to let it dry. Oh no. Handle that. So now I gotta set it down, and it's gonna take it a while to dry. But I'm pretty sure that we can be patient. We have to be patient. But where am I gonna put it at? There we go. We can be patient now. Alright. And I have this right here sewed down. I wish I wouldn't have went all the way on it. There we go. We got it. Okay. So now we're just going to have to be patient and let it dry. Let's check on our other thing and see if it's dry. If it ain't dry, then pretty well much tomorrow would be a good day. Oh yeah, it's dry. Alright, so I'm going to go watch a video and all that good stuff. And I can't wait to put this on here to see. Oh, it's going to be pretty. Yep, and that right there covers that. Oh, Sandy. Let's put this over here to where you're not doing that. Alright, let's see what we got here. Go down a little bit. Okay, now she said to draw your lines right here that we will be needing them. Okay, so we're going to draw our lines because we will be needing them. Now what she said about the lines is you don't want to go outside your lines when you're gluing it. So I can understand that. So let's draw our lines so we got them. Now it's better, I'm going to tell you it's better to go watch the video. Because I may forget something that she said or done. And alright, let's see how this works now. Hey, it's beautiful. There we go. Alright, now we're supposed to have another piece that will go on the bottom here. And I don't see it. I have lost it. We're going to have another piece to go on the very bottom. No, cut one, cut one. But she put a piece on the bottom. Let's see what this says. Interfacing. Alright. That's not what I want. Let's see. Because she had another piece that she sewed on the bottom of it. Alright, that one right there wasn't it. It was the other one. No, it wasn't either. Had to be that one. But she had another piece of material that she glued on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cuss out one. So that we will have another one. And we can put it on the very bottom. On the very bottom of it. And I'm not going to worry about no interfacing. I'm just going to make sure that this is this right here can be used. You know. Alright. When it gets dry, then we'll be back. But it ain't done nothing yet. Alright. Let's go sit down and watch some YouTube. I think this is good. Okay, so I took a toothpick and I put it in here. I'm not going to worry about the color or anything. And when you look at it, it looks pretty good just like it is. So I'm going to leave it like that. I was going to put this in there, but that's too big and I don't want that. I think a toothpick works just as good. Alright. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it backwards on here first. And I am going to see what I can do about putting it down on here like this. Got that one in the bottom. And this right here is just going to be for a little while. Now, I'm going to put this down right here. Now, she said it's going to go, the black part back here is going to go off a little bit. So we're not going to worry about that. Let's try to get this right here centered up. And this little bit back here to make it look good. And now we're going to just, oh no. I forgot. You can't put a pin in that. That ain't gonna work. Let's try this again. We're gonna have to find something else to make it work. Because that's not going to. I got that piece of plastic back here. See, I got that plastic. It's not smart. Alright, let's try it again. Put it right there. I hate doing it like this, but get it in there. Alright, now let's see if we can't get the other side. It's going through that glue. Alright. Alright, now, I don't want to mash it down like I just done. Alright, now I'm going to start back here in the back, and I'm going to go all the way around with it. So let's see if I can't get one more needle in there. Alright, now, ooh, I bet that little tiny pair of scissors would go good right down in here. I think I'm going to try them out and see. Curiosity will kill the cat. I'm going to die. Oh, I can see now they're not going to. They're bigger, or about the same size as those other ones. You okay, Mr. Rick?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see that working. That would be a headache every time. Let's see how that right there would work. Go through there. I can't help it. I'm always trying to find things to do. Okay. So now I'm going to take this right here and I'm going to sew it down. And that right there does work. I think that, you know, you can't pull them out. So I think that will work. And I got big old carrying caps. Now we just need some wheels on it.
Well, Mom, you're not talking me into it.
You done had some pounds.
And I give you some too.
Yeah, you done had double pounds. All right, we're just about done. I sewed my buttons on, and I got all this right here done down here. And I think it's turning out really beautiful. All right, now we're gonna put this on here. Now we don't want to put no glue except for right here around the lines is where she said. So I'm hoping this is hot now. No. So I'm gonna have to give that time to get hot. Man, I was hoping to go ahead and get it done. But isn't that so beautiful? I think it's so cute. Now, I don't have any flowers to put there, but I don't think it really needs anything. Now, I do got some lace that I want to put around it, and I think it'll look pretty good. So we gotta make sure we want to put this away. Oh, here it comes. Gotta get rid of that little piece there. Alright. And we're going to go around the outside of it. Now, she did not use a hot glue gun. She used some other glue. Come on. Not doing too good there. Alright, now we want to take this, line it up right there. There we go. Yes. And hold it down a minute to where it will cool down. Oh man, that is so pretty. Alright, now I want to take, and I wish I'd have done this beforehand and cut some of this white so it's not being seen. Alright, there's that one. Alright, I'm going to take this one and
If I surveyed all the good things come to me from above, if I would count all the blessings from the storehouse above, I simply ask for the favor of Him beyond mortal king, and I'm sure He grant it again and again. I want to stroll over heaven with you some glad day, when all our troubles and heartaches are vanished away. Then we'll enjoy all the beauty where all things are new. I want to stroll over heaven with you.
alright, I hope that right there will work. Probably end up having to
Okay. Good.
do something different. No, we got hot glue right there.
184 yards, a long snake-like bunker down the right-hand side to a cool little green with all sorts of movement on it. Very
I'm going to cut this and this. I don't remember how she done it. That's why I'm doing it the way I'm doing
that'll
it.
work, that's fine.
Because I don't remember.
John, what's going on out there?
Okay.
Well, on the fifth hole,
Yeah. Boy, I'm telling you what, that glue looks to... Alright, I think that's it on that. Now I'm going to unplug this. And I'm not going to worry too much about the back here. Or the glue. I probably ought to get some of these pieces that is not glued and glue it hot. Okay, that'll work. It's just these corners.
Opting for the 9-iron.
Ouch. Boy, that's hot.
Now nicely played. This would be a good putt to make.
I ain't too good with glue guns. I guess you can tell. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take black thread and I'm going to sew down each side right here.
A lot more.
See here how I sewed the corners? Now you don't see that white sticking out. Alright, now we need to plug this back up. Give it a minute and I'm going to find me another stick because we need it. And I can pull all this off. Alright, in the meantime, we're going to, let's put some thread around it like she did. What color do we want? Let's go with white. And then that way, we have some white here. Hopefully I can get it down in there pretty good.
Sitting at 1 under. That goes down for an eagle. Yeah, that'll promote a good move up the standings.
Alright. Cut it off.
So after that hole,
Twist it around.
standings on the course.
And now I'm going to take
So a couple of shots up at this stage.
dab right there. Cut that off. That looks pretty good.
Well, that's huge momentum
Alright.
there bringing to this hole. Coming off the eagle. Time to hit another quick drive.
There. There. Yes, I could have put more thread, but I think that's enough thread. Alright, now we want to put the leaves on it. And I think I'm going to start right here at the corner. Wait a minute, I want to go the other way. I am right-handed, not left-handed. Oh no. Not left-handed. So, put it right about there.
So many places of beauty we long to see here below, but time and treasures have kept us from walk, making plans as you know. But come the morning of the rapture, together we'll stand anew. When I stroll over heaven with you, I wanna
Yards long. Avoid the fairway bunkers on the left-hand side. You might have a hope of going forward into
Alright, there is my sewing machine. Get it up here on a platform. Yes. Oh no, my finger glued to it. It didn't get cooled down yet. But isn't that so cool? I think that is adorable. Very adorable. Alright, I'm going to put it in the sewing room. And most definitely, I'll probably end up start using it. Because it's so cool. I don't know. I may put it up just for keepsake. But anyway, it turned out really good. What did you say about my sewing machine?
I said it was awesome.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it does.
I like it too. I think it is so adorable.
Yeah, it is. It's awesome. It really is.
How to donate to Poor Man Sewing. Mash on Poor Man Sewing. You come up here and you look for About. And there you can donate to Poor Man's Sewing. All donations is really appreciated. Thank you very much.